Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on that device. So first we should just open Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner, then click here to the settings and tap to Google Assistant. Okay, be sure that you are logged in into the Google account. So I'll log in here to the Gmail account and I'll enter the password out of screen. After that, just tap here, yes, I agree, or accept. Okay, and now we can scroll down to the general options. And now just to turn off Google Assistant, we should click here only once on the switcher and confirm our action by click here to turn off. And that's it. As you can see, Google Assistant successfully turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.